Welcome everyone, this is Thomas from TradeWin. In this video, we will review together the backtest results I performed from the ICT Judas swing. So this is the exact video I refer to, okay? ICT Forex, understanding the ICT Judas swing from ICT himself. So the idea will be to review his strategy, but before doing that, I need to explain to you how I converted this strategy to be 100% mechanical. Remember that TradeWin is a backtesting tech that can take advantage of automation in order to perform automated backtests. For that, I always need my strategies to be 100% mechanical, okay? So I don't want this video to be really long, so let's go. Let's introduce the ICT Judas swing model. So the setup condition is to define the high and the low of the AGN session, with AGN session being from 19 to midnight New York time. I always work in New York time, okay? So here the idea will be to wait for since midnight, okay, from midnight, to wait price action to sweep either the AGN high, either the AGN low, okay? Sweeping refers to having a wick that touches either the high or the low of the AGN session, okay? You might be familiar with this concept. Then, after the sweep, we'll wait for a break of structure confirming the reversal. Okay, this is a Judas swing. You absolutely need to watch ICT video about that to understand the concept. Okay, the idea is we go to one side, okay, and then we have an aggressive move to the downside. Okay, then after the sweep, we wait for a break of structure confirming the reversal, which means that for my test, I used the break of structure as a close above or below the latest 3-bar fractal swing point. So there are plenty of indicators showing those points on graphs. This is what I'm waiting for to confirm my break of structure. I took the 2R take profit condition and the stop loss, which is the swing point since the current session beginning. As stated by ICT, I trade only during London session and the entry must happen before 5 o'clock New York time. And I only tested the 5-minute time frame. There are some variations I added and they only concern the take profit condition, where I don't only test 2R but also 1R, 3R and the previous session opposite level. What does that mean? For example, if we sweep since midnight the AGN high and I got a reversal and a break of structure to the downside, then I will be targeting the AGN low as my take profit target, okay? That's what it means. And that's the only thing I changed. I added also a stop loss update condition, meaning that if we reach 2R when we are, for example, at 3R, okay, targeting 3R, if we reach 2R of profit, I will be setting the stop loss to break even. Here are the strategy variation I am using. Here the strategy names are simple because there is only the take profit and the stop loss condition. So take profit is TP 1, 2, 3Rs and TP opposite session level. And SL break-even means we apply the break-even condition, and if we have nothing, then no specific rule is set, okay? Important to mention that in my backtest, I always implement spreads, and here I backtested those 3 symbols here, Euro, GBP and Japanese yen against the dollar each time. Only 1 pip at the entry and 1 pip at the exit is taken, okay? So let's now share the results from those backtests. There are 18, they have been performed for 20 years. and you will have the possibility of watching if red news have an impact or not on the overall performance. Okay, so to that, the simpler way is just me to share with you how to go through the different files. Okay, so let's dive into the different result files. I will make available to you via the drive link in the description of the video, where you could find different files, mostly Excel files. I will also attach .csv files if you don't have Excel. The idea is to have a global view on the overall results. Okay, so the first file will be the overall results, containing the global metrics for each of the 18 simulations performed over 20 years. Okay, the backtest news analysis shows the impact of trading or not during the red folder news for the past 15 years. The backtest results by weekday shows you the results by weekday, meaning for each Monday until Friday, okay, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, for each of these days, what were the different statistics concerning the percentage of long position taken, the short positions, either there were wins or losses, okay, during those specific days. And the backtest spread impact shows the impact of the spread for each strategy on the overall results. So let's dive into this. Here is the backtest overall results file. So to make it more readable, I recommend clicking anywhere, selecting everything, Command A or Control A, center, filter, and then apply auto sizing, double clicking here. Okay, so here we go. The different strategy names. I'm zooming this a bit. I don't know if it's visible. Yeah. Here you have each of the strategies I talked about. Okay. As I said, only a 5-minute time frame. Each symbol, the date. Okay. And the trade count. The columns talk by themselves. They are really easy to understand. Okay. And here you have the column that really matter for you, I guess, the win rate in percentage, and here the gain, loss, and total profit, and they are all in multiple of R. Okay, R is 1 R is the risk you take per trade. Okay, when you lose a trade, you lose a little bit more than 1 R due to spreads, and when you win a little bit more than the target, okay, or around the target. For example, here we can see that 1 R, okay, the first column here, 1 R, you can see that the average gain is 1 R, okay, because I'm adding to my target 2 times the spread in order to offset the spread, okay, in order to be close to the target. 2R here, you can see that the average gain is close to 2, here close to 3. Okay, that's the idea. Total profit in terms of multiple of R, you can see that all of them are negative, which means we don't have any profitable simulations, okay, according to my tests. You also have the max drawdown period, okay, so most of them are all, I mean, you are in drawdown since the beginning, as the strategies are not profitable at all. Let's open the position detail here for Euro. Okay, wait a minute, why is this all empty? Is this a problem? The answer is no. You need to go to the 5-minute tab below, okay, to make all the trades appear. That's really important. So again, Command A, I want everything to be centered. I filter and I apply auto sizing. Then the information is much more readable. For each transaction, for each trade, you have where we swept, at what time we swept, what's the direction of the trade, and when we enter. Okay, you have the entry price with and without spread, so you can verify this information on your own. Okay, plenty of things here. The exit date, okay, the exit date, hour, etc. The closing price without spread, with spread, the status, and the profit. Remember, this is all in multiples of R. And whenever you have here a red folder news, you will have the last column here is no trading days, switching to yes. So this calendar, economic calendar, has been applied only since 2007, because that's how far I can reach thanks to my economic calendar data, historical data. So for example, on this day, okay, you have a yes, which means that in the 14th of July 2020, we had a red news. Okay, that's what it means. So that's all for those trades, and you have them on for every symbol traded. So as a conclusion, we can say that all the strategies I tested via my backtests don't use at all any high time frame analysis. Okay, we also saw that none of them are profitable. So the conclusion for me is that the ICT Judas swing strategy absolutely needs an accurate higher time frame bias to anticipate the direction of the Judas swing or the false run. Okay, you can't trade here the ICT Judas swing as explained in this video without having an accurate, a precise higher time frame bias, because if not, you will never be profitable. Thank you for watching, thank you for your support, and have a good day. Goodbye.